Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating topic that has intrigued humanity for centuries: the quest for immortality. What if I told you that there might be a hidden path to never dying? Stay tuned as we explore the incredible concept of beyond mortality. And if you want to buy this product, check the buy link in the description. But first, you want to need full video completely. We all share a common desire to extend our lives, to conquer the boundaries of mortality. But what if I told you that the key to longevity might not be just a myth? Scientists have been uncovering groundbreaking research on how our immune system can play a pivotal role in the journey towards immortality. Imagine a product that not only supports your overall health, but supercharges your immune system, making it a formidable guardian against illnesses and aging. The product we're about to reveal could be a game changer in this quest, offering you the potential to live longer and healthier than ever before. Let's delve into the science. Our immune system is a remarkable defense mechanism designed to fight off threats to our body. As we age, this system weakens, leaving us vulnerable. But what if we could give it a boost? That's where our product comes in, offering a unique blend of scientifically proven ingredients that could rejuvenate your immune system and, in turn, lead you on the path to a longer, healthier life. We've got some incredible stories to share. Meet individuals who have incorporated this immune system booster into their lives and witnessed remarkable transformations. From increased energy levels to reduced susceptibility to illnesses, their experiences are truly inspiring. As we wrap up, it's essential to note that the quest for immortality isn't solely about living forever. It's about living a vibrant and fulfilling life for as long as possible. We've seen the potential this product holds, but remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle. A healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition, and regular exercise also play a critical role. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to explore beyond mortality and the hidden path to never dying. If you're intrigued, if you're ready to take the next step towards a healthier, longer life, check out the link below to learn more about the immune system booster that might just change your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. And I'll see you in the next video. In conclusion, the promises of eternal life through a product may be enticing, but it's crucial to approach such claims with skepticism. While advancements in technology and science continue to enhance our lives, the idea of immortality remains speculative. Embracing a healthy lifestyle, staying informed about medical breakthroughs, and cherishing the present moment are essential for a fulfilling life, rather than relying on unverified products promising an elusive eternity. Stay curious, stay healthy, and until